Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? I hope that you are all doing great. I'm so excited that I get to write with you today. Okay. I'm using a whiteboard, but I hope that you have a piece of paper. If you don't, a whiteboard is okay. Today we're going to write about something that we're thankful for. Okay? Something that we're thankful for. And first, when we first start writing, we are going to draw our picture, okay? Because our writing first starts with drawing pictures. So I'm going to draw a picture of something that I'm thankful for. Do you know what it is yet? One day I'll learn how to draw our ears. She has a black. And I'm coloring my picture because I'm drawing a picture of a real thing. I'm trying to color my picture to look like her too. Do you know who it is yet? Do you remember her name? She has a little bit more black on her face, but alright. This is a horrible looking picture of Willow. But this is Willow, and I'll show you what Willow really looks like. I knew that she had more black on her, but I couldn't exactly remember. So I guess her black doesn't go all the way around her eye. That's okay. I did it the best that I could, okay? So I'm thankful for Willow. After you get done writing or drawing your picture, I want you to write I am. Remember when we write the word I, it's always capital, right? I am thankful. This is a really big word. Thankful for. Okay. So 1, I want you to pause the video to finish your drawing. Then 2, I want you to pause the video so that way you can look at my board and see I am thankful for. I want you to write that on your paper. I am thankful for. Then after you pause the video, you got your picture done. Now you guys don't have a dog named Willow that I've heard of so far. So your picture is going to look different than mine. This part is going to be the same though. After you have I am thankful for written on your paper, I want you to try your best to sound out and write down the sounds that you hear of what you drew. So I am thankful for Willow. So I'm going to write w, w, w. L, O. I am thankful for Willow. Remember to put a period at the end of your sentence. That's our punctuation, and it's called a period. And we're starting our sentence with a capital letter. So I'm going to read my sentence again once I'm done. I am thankful for Willow. But remember, your paper is just going to say, I am thankful for, but then you're going to write your own thing that you drew the picture of. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see all of the things that you are thankful for.